I'm sure you've heard the news, abs are made in the kitchen. It's a saying that highlights the importance of nutrition when it comes to achieving your fitness goals. But what should you actually eat to sculpt those abs and fuel your body effectively? Navigating the world of nutrition can feel overwhelming, with so much conflicting information out there. Let's break it down, step by step, and create a simple, effective meal plan that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. We'll focus on whole, unprocessed foods that will nourish your body and support your fitness journey. Let's kick things off with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. It sets the tone for your energy levels and food choices throughout the day. I go for oatmeal with a scoop of protein powder. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy to power you through your morning. The protein powder helps to kickstart muscle recovery and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Then I add some berries, packed with antioxidants and vitamins, adding a burst of flavor and nutritional value to your breakfast. And finally, a sprinkle of nuts. Nuts provide healthy fats, which are essential for hormone production and overall well-being. It's filling, balanced, providing a good mix of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. And it gives your body a steady energy boost, keeping you focused and productive until your next meal. Mid-morning snack, this is crucial for preventing energy crashes and overeating at lunch. I opt for Greek yogurt with a small banana. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, promoting gut health and satiety. It's high in protein and keeps cravings at bay, preventing you from reaching for unhealthy processed snacks. For lunch, I build a big salad. Think leafy greens, providing a base of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Then I add grilled chicken, a lean protein source that supports muscle growth and repair. Next comes quinoa, a complete protein and a great source of complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. And to top it off, a simple olive oil dressing. Olive oil provides healthy fats that are beneficial for heart health and overall well-being. You get your protein, essential for muscle building and repair. You also get fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. And healthy fats, all in one bowl, making it a complete and satisfying meal. Afternoon hunger strikes? Don't let them derail your progress. Try some carrot sticks and hummus. This is a great combination of crunchy vegetables and a creamy, protein-rich dip. Crunchy, tasty, and actually good for you, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Dinner is all about balance, ensuring you get the nutrients you need to recover and prepare for the next day. I go for lean beef or tofu, both excellent sources of protein. Then I add brown rice, a complex carbohydrate that provides sustained energy and fiber, and loads of roasted veggies. Roasting vegetables brings out their natural sweetness and makes them even more delicious. This keeps you satisfied and fuels muscle recovery, helping you build and maintain lean muscle mass. The key? Consistency and mindful eating. Prioritize protein at every meal to support muscle growth and satiety. Keep portions controlled to manage your calorie intake and prevent overeating. And don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to cravings and unhealthy food choices later on. Eating for fat loss and muscle gain requires a strategic approach to nutrition. It isn't about starving, it's about smart choices, every meal, fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Ready to level up your meals and transform your body? Hit subscribe for more easy fitness tips and unlock your full potential.